This is going to be a project demonstration video for PBL Group 13. So we have made a portfolio website. I'll just load up the link. We've hosted this project on Heroku. We have called it MakeMyPortfolio, a place to create, connect and share portfolios. So we can create portfolios over here. We can connect to different people over here. And we also get a shareable link to a portfolio, which we can use to share with anybody. So as soon as we load up the website, on the main page we have the latest portfolios that have been created. So these are the latest portfolios that have been created. There are many entries. These are some of them. So we have used seed data for testing purposes. So this is not real data. This is generated by us for testing. We have got a search bar in which we can search for portfolios by name and by skills. So for example, I can search for name and we'll get portfolios by that name. I can click on any one of them and we are directed to the person's portfolio. So over here we have the general information about the person along with an avatar. This is the about section, and the skills, we have permitted up to 5 skills. Then the next section is the resume section. So in this, the education and experiences are added. Again, 5 of each are permitted. In the portfolio section, we have the projects that have been made by the person, and it consists of an image, the title of the project and the explanation. And the last section over here is a contact section. So from this section, anybody who wants to connect with this person can just enter their email, name and message. So this is the portfolio, and we have a download CV option over here, but we have not yet integrated it. We will integrate it in the future. Now the shareable link is this. So basically, as soon as we copy this link and share it to anybody who is not logged in can easily just take a look at the portfolio. So this is the shareable link, so anybody can share their portfolios. Now I would create a new portfolio and demonstrate the process. So this is autofilled. Just enter my email. Now avatar is optional, so if I input a link to an image, the avatar would be displayed, like that avatar would be displayed, and if I don't input anything, then the default avatar would be displayed. So I have actually got a link. I'll just paste that link. Just enter a password and a date of birth. Okay, so it has to be 10 characters long. Yeah. So now we have successfully signed up. So for now the portfolio has not been created, only the account is created, the user is created. Now as soon as we sign in, we have one more section over here, that is my contacts, and a greeting section. So I'll just click on my contacts. So over here, if anybody has contacted you, it would be displayed over here in a card that I would be displaying shortly. And this is where we can create a portfolio. So right now I don't have a portfolio, so I'll have to create it. So I'll have to enter a unique slug. So I'll just enter my name. Then we can enter our social media or other social links. So I'll just enter the GitHub link. Then about you section. So in the about you section, you just write about yourself. So for now I'll just put in placeholder text. And then we can add skills. So I'll just add CSS, HTML. Now I'll add one education. Now we can enter a start date and an end date. For now I'll just enter an arbitrary value. So this is the basic requirement, like we just need to add a slug and about me, that is compulsory, and then we can add other things later on, or we can just add them at the start. So I'll just click on create. So as you can see, the portfolio has been created successfully, and this is my portfolio for now. So this is the birth date that I had entered while signing up. These are the skills that I had input. This is the about me section. This is the avatar image that I had input. This is my resume. So in this I have just added education. In the portfolio section there is no project because I have not entered any. And then there is contact. So if anyone wants to contact me can easily do that if I have shared them my portfolio. Okay, so for now I just enter and send a request. So the request has been sent successfully. Now if I take a look at my contacts, then I have that request over here and the message that that person had sent. So this has been a brief overview of the PBL project that we have been working on. So there are some things that we have planned to add on to in the future. So we have set up an upload pipeline for images, but we have not integrated it because of the lack of time. So we would be integrating the upload pipeline. As of now we are just taking the links to images as input, but we would be integrating an upload option shortly, and we would be working on the UI. And also in the portfolio section, as I mentioned earlier, there's a download CV option, but we have not yet integrated it, so we will integrate that. And also we'll have an option to just copy the shareable URL so that we just copy it on one click. So these are some of the things that we have put in the future scope. So yeah, so this has been the PBL project of PBL Group 13. Thank you.